got a second malware in here, which is an executable file, but it's also classified as AsyncRAT, right? It's malicious. It's classified as AsyncRAT, and it's just it's just kind of like an info stealer spyware, right? We were able to catch it with Yara, and we also had other malicious level VTIs that was able to catch injection attempt. Maybe even it went through, but we also have the extracted configuration for this, right? And in there, you will see really valuable data, right? We have the version of that software, a socket that it's listening to, and the mutex name that is unique to not hack the same device probably again. And there are keys like human readable strings here. So all of these, including the certificates and so on and so forth, will give you an edge to detect this through your endpoint, maybe even in your perimeter, in your network security devices, or somewhere else. But we are just doing everything we can to enable you on every front to detect this malware, maybe even prevent it through your other devices. Same thing in the monitoring process. We see a single process and then it just creates another process and it just tries to inject to it, right? And one of the unique capabilities of VMRay platform is we are able to log every single function call in the analysis, right? And here we can see the memory injection and how it is being done, where it is being done. So first, let's take a look on how it is being injected. We are able to see and log down every single function call that has been called in this entire analysis time frame. Even if we didn't detect it, we are able to see it here, and you can take a further forensic look, right? And just give it a verdict for yourself. But we are able to also see the parameters of it. In some cases, this is human readable parameters, and it just you can extract keys and some other stuff. We are already doing most of the things automatically for you through our detection mechanisms. But if you want to take a look, you can download it. You can just actually do all kinds of advanced operations if you want to go beyond. We can not only see how this operation of malware injection, memory injection is being done, but we can see what is being injected. And in some cases, you can see a binary load. In some cases, we see MS-DOS header here, or MZ header here, which indicates that it's an executable file that's being injected to another process, right? So in those cases, this view is really valuable, and you can download all of the file and just do further analysis on it. It's not only the memory injection or memory-related operations we can see the threat-related, user-related operations in here. All the network behaviors is listed in here. And in fact, you can go to the network tab, get a much prettier view on which of the countries or the API or IP addresses, URLs are being contacted by the sample, including the whois enrichment of the infrastructure, right? So these are really important when you're trying to investigate whether it's a true alert that has been generated by an EDR, or you want to do a playbook run in SOAR where you want to actually get all the suspicious looking emails being analyzed by VMRay. All of these information will be delivered as in the API interface as well. So whatever you're seeing is going to be available in the API. You can take a look into the Yara matches and just go ahead and see the rule set that was triggered on it. And you can do all kinds of operations. And this file was only matched on 20 engines in the time that we analyzed, right? So it's not a real high score of indicators, but we were able to show you a lot of stuff in the analysis. So just in and of itself shows you how beneficial having an advanced threat analysis platform on your hand.